Welcome back, 8th graders. I hope you guys enjoyed a couple days off. I know I sure did. We are back at it. It is week 5. This is our Schoology quiz for the entire week, the whole week. We are going to be using textbooks pages 321 to 349. So I am going to explain how to access the quiz, and then after that, I'm going to read the test questions. Just a reminder that this has to be done on Schoology. If there's like an issue and you can't access Schoology, I can email you an electronic copy of the test and you can email me back the answers, but just let me know if you need that. Okay, you're going to log on to Schoology and go to our science class. This is what it looks like, our science page. You're going to click on materials that I have circled in red. You're going to scroll to the very bottom of the page and it's going to look like this. You are going to click on the last little entry, which says Week 5 quiz, Pearson's 321 to 349. Just some important information about this quiz. You have 4 tries to take this quiz. So what can you do with those 4 tries? Well, you can do option 1. You can take the quiz, see what you know, see what you don't know, look up what you don't know, or you can continue to take the quiz until you get a grade that you're proud of. But just know, if you're on try 4 and you get like, I don't know, 7 out of 12, unfortunately that's it for your tries and we'll take the highest grade out of those 4 tries. All right, you need to scroll to see the whole picture. So you're going to have questions like this. And if you look at the very bottom, there's a bar and you can move that bar from side to side so you can see the entire picture. If there's a picture on your quiz, it's because I want you to look at it. It's to try to help you. This is your only work for week 5. If you finish early, complete any unfinished work. So it's almost like a catch-up week. So I've posted a list of assignments that I've given you basically since we've been out of school, and that's on Schoology. Any questions, please email me. I'm going to start reading the quiz now. Question 1. The picture below shows a woolly mammoth. Although it looks like a hairy elephant, there are currently no living members of the species on Earth today. A woolly mammoth can be described as A, a dinosaur, B, extinct, C, invertebrate, or D, an amphibian. Question 2. Below is a chart of Earth's history. How many millions of years ago did humans evolve? Hint, humans evolved during the Cenozoic era. A, 542 millions of years ago. B, 485 millions years ago. C, 23 millions of years ago. Or D, 2.6 millions of years ago. So you're going to see this chart on a couple questions. I want you to make sure that you're looking at everything. This is looking at everything in the chart. So look at the white boxes. That's going to explain what you're looking at. You have eras. You have millions of years ago when this specific era or period began. You have periods. Please remember that you can divide eras further into periods, and you have major events. So this question is asking you how many millions of years ago. So what are you going to look at? Are you going to look at eras, began, periods, or major events? So I want you to look at this and I want you to look at it thoroughly. I try to organize it into colors so that you can see exactly how it's split up. Okay, question 3, you're going to see the same chart. Below is a chart of Earth's history. List 2 periods where a mass extinction occurred. A, Paleozoic and Mesozoic. B, Carboniferous and Permian. C, Permian and Cretaceous. D, Mesozoic and Cenozoic. Okay, I'm going to give you some hints. Make sure that you're looking under period and also looking under major events, because that's where we're going to find out where there's a mass extinction. Don't confuse eras and periods. That's my other hint for you. Question 4. Below is a chart of Earth's history. Which era were dinosaurs common? Oh, that is a typo. My bad. All right. A, Paleozoic era. B, Mesozoic era. C, Triassic. or D, Jurassic? Again, you were looking at eras. Don't confuse eras and periods. And you also need to look under major events to see when dinosaurs were common. Question 5. Below is a chart of Earth history. Are you getting sick of this chart yet? Which unit or measurement of time is the largest? A, 1 million years, B, period, C, era, or D, tick-tock? There should be one answer you can automatically eliminate because it's just too silly. Question 6. Below is a picture of a jellyfish. A jellyfish is an invertebrate. True or false? Sorry, I have some typos here. A, true, B, false. Question 7. Below is a picture of a cat. A cat is an example of an invertebrate. True or false? A, true, B, false. Question 8. Look at the picture below. I have the sun's energy. Then I have that blue line represents the atmosphere, layers of the atmosphere, and then at the bottom I have Earth's surface. Which sentence best describes the picture? A. All of the sun's energy is able to reach Earth's surface. B. Only some of the sun's energy is able to reach the Earth's surface. C. None of the sun's energy can reach the Earth's surface. Or D. The sun is very hot. Question 9. How does the sun energy travel to Earth? A. It travels as X-rays. B. It travels as electromagnetic waves. C. It travels as sound. Or D. It travels as gamma rays. Question 10. The ozone layer is important because it stops too much UV light from entering Earth's surface, harming organisms, living things. True or false? A, true, B, false. Question 11. Look at the picture below. All right, I'm going to take some time and explain the picture. So I have the sun, and then if I follow the numbers, number 1 is radiation. Radiation hits Earth's surface. Number 2 is conduction, and I think those arrows, red arrows, represent thermal energy. And then I see that the arrow is pointing up for number 2. And when we get to the top of the arrow, I see that air cools and sinks. And this little pattern, this little circle is number 3, convection. So the question is, how does the sun energy first arrive on Earth's surface? Does it arrive as A, electromagnetic waves, B, convection, C, conduction, or D, radiation? I'm going to give you some hints, follow the numbers, and also if you don't know what we're looking at, this is energy transfer at Earth's surface. All right, question 12, last question. I've got the same picture again. So again, use the picture to help you answer the question. Look at the numbers. Which term describes the transfer of heat by the movement in a cycle of a fluid, gas, or liquid? Is it A, convection, B, current, C, conduction, or C, radiation? Okay, guys, that is it. Best of luck. I know you can do it. You have a lot of time to finish it, so use that to your advantage. And please remember to catch up on any other work that you are missing so far. Good luck, guys.